The fifth place to look for a master's thesis topic is from previous theses and dissertations. You can easily get ideas or topic to focus on in your master's thesis from previously written theses or dissertations. Such theses and dissertations are easily accessible in your library, in your school, and also around the internet. Take time to read the abstract of a thesis while also considering the fifth chapter, which includes the recommendations for future research. This will be a big gold mine for potential topics. Number 6. Current theories. The sixth place to look for a topic for your master's thesis is from current theories. Have any new theories been developed in your discipline? Or can the already existing theories be questioned? New and existing theories can be a great source of potential topics for your master's thesis. 7. Oral defenses. The seventh place to look for a master's thesis topic is oral defenses. The discussions that occur during the oral defense of a dissertation can provide numerous suggestions for potential topics. Attending oral defenses will also provide you an insight on what happens during a thesis defense. Number 8. Current job setting. The eighth place to look for a master's thesis topic is your current job setting. Determining the problems that need solutions in the workplace can provide many ideas for your master's thesis. Number 9. Conferences and seminars. The ninth place to look for a master's thesis topic is conferences and seminars. Attending conferences and seminars can keep you updated on current topics and issues in your field of study. Talking with presenters in different seminars and conferences can help you to get many ideas on research topics to focus on.